go by the name Flamboyant Lifestyle, aka what Mankind, and the other names. Yeah, and this be matter come. What be the matter where you come? Early today where I can do some news be say Benin State where you dey Nigeria for Edo State. Plenty prisoners come out for the what? The prison inside. You know be easy thing. The way the street top, the community stuff, you know, where people they what? People they run, people they go to various homes and things. Some video be pop up. The video anyway you pop up on the brother man, you know be easy. Some young men be where them say they catch them. You spy the video, you spy the video.
4 years. 4 years now you dey inside prison.
God bless you now. God bless you now.
Freedom. Charlie go.
216.
Since 216, what do you do?
I don't do anything. I found my farm for village. They go arrest me, president. They go arrest. They put allegation for me. I say I keep us. I'm okay, and I not do anything. Now they put me for 62 now. No court, nothing. Now I'm in the support. They can no visit.
Today you are free. I believe you. That's the way you go. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Say thank you.
Yeah, you.
Omo, like this, they don't bust Edo State prison, no. Don't be White House now.
Yes, now.
They don't bust White House. See prisoners they run. Freedom.
I salute you
You
now.
prisoner too.
Yes.
Freedom.
Yeah, detain me.
Serious?
Unlawful detention. I give my money, make us in a friend.
Yeah.
I know that there. He shop money.
Yes.
He shop money.
Yes.
Inspector Dele.
Yes.
Dele shop money. Not going to investigate me. He remained me go prison 2 years plus. I just said I went to trial. No worry.
You see what the young man they talk? The young man they talk say they catch him where they do him what? They put him for prison. Where you know you see say this early morning plenty people they what run for the prison inside the inmates in the way if them dead the prison inside and then what they run. Where you get at least chance to be say Charlie no so then or done because you know say it be injustice so. But if for what? If for run for your life because you don't do anything for the what? For the society inside where they take and go that prison inside. This has led to so many musicians with them dead. Someone like Akon, one of the famous and also reliable African style musician where he did the word inside. No? He can't put one in more for inside say make them not stop what the protest crowd, make them do make them stop the brutalization, then things where the government, then the police, the people where them they need to do because they sure it be them now where them what them cause them for do day and night, because the more they pressure the government, the more them now they do say something where like happen for the what the continent inside before for the country inside where they call them Nigeria now. They no go shown. We final to come put him more for inside. We know final. One of the what fastest rising musician where he did. He be famous. But you can put him more for inside. Say make them do because plenty people there when they lost them lives, they lost them family members, they lost them loved ones, they lost them what people where they are closer to them due to the what the scarce something anyway it happen. The scarce something in there it can what it can damage them. Instead of them go protect lives, they are taking lives because this one there be something where it be what it be relevant for them what them high top than something where we know say this world where we dey inside where this what African country where we dey inside now be easy thing because say the way the police people they behave plus so many citizens now sometimes you don't know what they wrong them they catch you instead of interrogating you instead of asking you question where sense there is maybe they want something from you so they don't go ask you all those questions. So all the questions where they go ask you if you question where you tap where you put your like your mind for ground we say question no mo kase ni na nyansa ya de nim onu omo ye gidigidi pa de a omo do be de omo be kom se see how ko Nigeria abonten so brother man be easy sister be easy cry the lives of say then they bury them loved ones owning candles the lives of people sleeping on street the lives of so many things where they happen for Nigeria sometimes they see akranaba ne say see normal we nentwie pa me yi ne yamade o ana obede na si ejaso nentwie no mo twitwa ne o they no roast like they no cut the what the cow and thing then just put the car on for fire top where it dey roast, where it be sign of what protesting, make the people that my eye can't top the government, that my eye can't talk say what then they do the country, you know, it be something where what it dey affect them my progress, it be something where it dey affect them my economy, it be something where you know the what make people be free, because this world where we dey inside, it be freedom of speech where it dey, it be democracy, people feel express their mind, people feel express what they feel, because if you know make them express themselves or they not do what them now they won't do for them life inside that, it's like they being caged. If they commit the crime, then they are, if you take what them go, but interrogate them. Why you see, if you interrogate them, then tap plus them, then show them say do this, do that, do this, do that. Some people they what the country inside where they don't know they don't know the laws. Sometimes you know my nigga be the talk. Well, my nigga no, you know no say if you go chop 17-year-old girl, it be defilement. But I say it be defilement. Say, hey, you don't know. Some people are what ignorant of the what. They are very, very ignorant of the laws and things. No? So sometimes they forget some what space, airtime, media stations. Then so many presenters. You know, they sometimes before educate them. Make they know say if they go steal this, it be something where police catch you, you go take. So if they know the law. They no go what? They no go do something where the law not talk them say make them know what? Make them no do. This be something where plenty of people there where you don't know. So we are using this as an opportunity. This thing where they happen for Nigeria. I learned say plenty African what leaders where them there no, they go put them a mind for ground. They will not be selfish. Selfishness no way them lead to those things. So he say right now make a come one at home. Right now he say Akufo-Addo. He talk say you bring what? He bring free education. When our own man where they this country is away with the respect and Fifi Pratt. You can't talk say plenty politicians where them they Ghana here no. They say free education, they do campaign and things. Bunch of the Makidis, you know, they know they yo. Then they opti when they what in the school for them. So who were like then they deceive them things. We all where we did the country inside for develop. Some people go to the extent say then they build different businesses for other countries. Whilst they go feel you do what build the businesses for here. All these things they more where the citizens you know they hear, then see where they yes then them now see say Charlie if it's something where they what you know fine, you know fresh. So this thing, you know, then they take hunger, they do what? Some picture to pop up say some should be where they protest from, you know, get leg. He has get his what? He has gotten his breakthrough. You've gotten a breakthrough, say somebody can't fix in leg, you know what? Give them. Whilst people are protesting, some people are getting what? Testimony what within it. This be something where he come where me flamboyant lifestyle, I can't update you for what? For talk. If you go feel leave your comment, it be important every day at the talk this thing. Leave your comment for the comment box inside. You finish. Follow us on all our social media platform. Yeah, follow us. It be too much what GH. This is something where you do. And this video to make sure say you go like, you go share, so that plenty people where them there, you know, they feel spy this video. Some I love you from the bottom of my heart. Stay blessed. Pow.
Too much GH. We need to go to Japan. A break and best TV. Me share too much GH. The move for. Hey, almost sports and as entertainment. Hey, the move for. Munko so show mo. No anybody GDBA. Madam, I love you.
Me dey the Isaac Ojuampo. We between family the great tempo. Bring. One man come money share too much GH. Too much GH. Mo we too much. Na me so me I'm more fire.
Too much GH. We boy wate. Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH.